Stop using Kling, One, or any other video generator to make ads. They make beautiful clips, but not ads that sell. You still need to write scripts separately, find a voice, pick an avatar, edit everything together, and at the end you get a random video with no hook, no structure, no CTA. That's not an ad. This tool is different. It's an ad agent. You give it a product link, it researches, writes the scripts, cast an avatar, products the video, and check its own work before giving it back. Let me show you. Head to Creatify and there is a lot of features here. But the one we care the most is Creatify Agent. So press this button right here, and now we add the agent. That's very simple. We need to add our product right here. Press product button and we have several options here. The first one is create our product automatically or create it manually. By creating manually, you need to specify product name, categories, product description, selling points, and all needed information about your product. But there is a very impressive feature here. You can just paste your own link and generate everything automatically by scraping information from your website. For example, I have this font right here and let's try to create a video for this product. Copy this link and paste it right here. As I said, now we're scraping all information from the website automatically. We need to wait a little bit, about 1 minute, and here we go. We got our information. Let's set up our product. The product name, the categories, product description, selling points, and moreover, we also have an assets, which we also got from the website. Alright, we've got our product right here. Let's choose this one and press use this product. Okay. And now what we need to do, just enter our prompt. Man, that's very simple. Just generate an UGC ad for this product. Here we could also choose different modes, light one and the pro. Depending on the complexity of your tasks, you choose the best one. Here is auto mode and plan mode. In majority of cases, auto mode works fine, especially if you want to save your time. So let it be auto mode. Press generate button. Alright, after 10 minutes, the agent finished its work, and here you can see all the workflow. It created 3 scenes and generated them, as you can see here. First of all, there is images, and then based on these images was generated several videos. And based on these videos, we've got a final video with total duration of 30 seconds. And let's have a look.
This is the Dreo Tower Fan 353. 90 feet of airflow, 1000 CFM in one room. 8 speeds, 3 modes, auto-adjusting, smarter than your old fan. Quieter than a whisper at just 20 decibels. Set the timer, mute the beep. Sleep like a dream, like a dream.
That was actually really nice. I really like it. There is some nuances, some little details. The beginning was really impressive. The music was very suitable for this specific video, and I really like the beat. The voice sounds to me quite natural, especially in this moment with a beat.
Like a dream.
Was quite funny. So, that's really nice. Probably UGC ad for fan product, not the best option, and I specifically choose this one to test it out the agent. I also created another version of this video, and let's have a look.
Meet the Dreo fan. 90 feet of airflow fan. 90 feet of airflow, 1000 CFM power.
8 speeds, auto mode, 90-degree oscillation, air exactly where you need it. Only 20 decibels, quieter than a whisper. Timer, remote, adjustable height. Shop Dreo now.
This video was more about characteristics, and I really like it. The voice wasn't ideal, but at the same time we could choose any voice you like, and to me this is very impressive and looks very professional. If you're gonna do it by yourself, you're gonna spend an enormous amount of time to film everything and create motion graphics. Even simple captions could be quite problematic in terms of the time spending. So that was really nice. Before starting from scratch every time, you can find a lot of different examples of ad right here on the starting page. Just check out the inspirations. For this, let's press See All Inspiration button right here. And as you can see here, there is a lot of different examples which are available for you depending on your niche and your specific user case. So let's choose social and UGC ad. Here, let's choose some random video. For example, let it be this one. And we could recreate this ad or open it in AdFlow. Recreating ads works very simple. You just need to specify your product image and your script. That's it. If you want to have much more control, open in AdFlow. And this is AdFlow, a node-based editor. And honestly, this is very advanced mode and lets you fine-tune particularly anything in any way you want. So let's try to change these bills to perform battle, for example. So let's press right here, press this button here, replace image, and let's add our image right here. Let it be this one, press replace button. We could also change our product analysis and video enhancer. And of course, different models are also available right here. We changed our image and let's try to generate a video with a new product. Press on all. For generating this particular video, we are using Kling 3. But as I said, we could change any part of the workflow, any model, and any stage. Alright, after 5 minutes, we've got a video and let's have a look.
This LumaCare Wellness Supplement is a lifesaver. It keeps my immunity, energy, and stress levels perfectly balanced every single day.
That's very impressive. As you can see here, we changed our video and the main part here that this looks very natural and I really like it. Of course, text is not fit to the product, but it's only because we didn't change it, but we could. So this is a really nice use case. Of course, it's not all. There is avatar features with thousands of characters, asset generator with an enormous amount of models for image generation, video generation, and music, and you have a lot of different features to experiment. So let me know if you want me to make this video. But let's talk about the price. The best part is you have a free tier, 10 credits per month without a card. It's a really nice feature to have. With this ability, you could test it out the product and figure out is it good for your specific user case, and I really like it. So as usual, thanks for watching and bye bye.